BEL Optronic Device Limited recruitment for various vacancies. So it is under the BEL. It is Central Public Sector Enterprise under Ministry of Defence. Recruitment for senior engineers in aviation house manufacturing plant as well as fresh engineers in image intensifier tubes manufacturing plant. So the candidate will be engaged initially for the period of 1 year, which may be extended for 2 years, a minimum of maximum of 3 years tenure. So this is for contract engineer vacancies. So let's look into it. So some of the vacancies doesn't require any experience. So process metal engineer in metalworking, 3 years of experience is required. 30 years is the maximum age criteria. Program setup operator, 3 years is required, and laboratory engineer, quality engineer, BTech is a qualification required in mechanical materials. So these are all the experience basis. Now we'll be looking to fresh, 0 to 3 years experience. So mechanical engineers, this is a post code 23/001, number of vacancies 1 vacancy, bachelor degree in mechanical from recognized university, 0 to 3 years of professional work experience is required. Even the freshers are eligible for this vacancy. So 30 years is the age criteria. First year the consolidated pay will be given 23,500. Second year it will be 25,500, and third year it will be 27,500 plus allowances also will be given for this mechanical engineers. And so mechanical engineers, number of vacancies in different streams, 2 vacancies. And for electronics engineer, the qualification required, electronics engineer, this is the post code 23/003, 23/001, 1 vacancy in respective fields. So electronics, BTech is required, the qualification, industrial electronics or E&TC from recognized university is a qualification required in order to apply for this vacancy. And 0 to 3 years of experience is required. So even freshers are also eligible to apply for this vacancy. 30 years is the maximum age criteria. The pay scale, as we already discussed, in third year it will be 27,500. And so this is for different electronics, 2 vacancies are there in different postcode is 003, 004, and 005 also the same is the criteria. So total of 4 vacancies for electronics. And mechanical engineer in D&D, 1 vacancy is there, and the postcode is 007. So BTech in BE from mechanical recognized university in mechanical stream, 0 to 3 years is the qualification required. 30 years the maximum age criteria, and third year you will be given 27,500. And in electronics engineer D&E, postcode is 008, number of vacancies 1 vacancy, bachelor degree in electronics as well as industrial electronics or digital electronics from recognized university. 0 to 3 years is the professional experience required in design, testing of electronic hardware circuit system. 30 years is the age criteria. So pay scale is 23,000 to 27,500. And there is also relaxation for SC/ST as well as OBC, PWD, ex-serviceman relaxation. Upper age limit cutoff criteria is 1/1/2023. And there will be relaxation of 5 years for SC/ST and 3 years age relaxation for OBC. And for the candidate belonging to PWD, there will be 40% of disability with 5 years age relaxation. So this is the requisite qualification required, and these are the different area of experience required. And the quality, this is the different domains wherein you have to have the prescribed experience. I will give you the link in the description. You can just go to that specific notification page and you can just look into it. So the mode of selection, there will be written examination which will be conducted in Pune itself, and all the candidates who will be applying for the above post will be called for written examination without conducting any verification. And then after you select for written examination, after you will be shortlisted based upon the written examination, you will be called based upon the merit list after considering reservation notified in the advertisement. So the venue of written examination will be intimated later via email ID, which will be entered on the application form. And the number of candidates for the written examination, that is selection, the final selection will be notified in the website itself. So in order to apply for this one, the application fee criteria is rupees 354 rupees, that is 300 plus 18% of GST for this. And also this you need to which will be payable with the application form through demand draft in favor of BEL Optronic Devices Limited, payable at Pune. So this is the requisite thing. You need to take a DD and DD in favor of BEL Device Limited, and this is the fee criteria. 354 rupees is the fee criteria for general OBC candidates, and SC/ST candidates are exempted from paying any particular fees, and no TADA will be provided for attending written examination. So after you download this application form, you need to take the DD, and you need to send, after filling up all the requisite things, you need to dually fill in the application form with a self-attested certificate. It should be sent through post or courier by superscribing on the envelope the name of the post you have applied to the manager, HR, BEL Device Limited, EL30 block, as well as this is the Pune. So you need to send all the self-attested along with the deed taken by you in favor of Pune, the specified BEL Pune, as well as with the specified form. So you need to send to this particular address. The intimation for the date of examination will be intimated via email, and last date to apply for this one is 15/2/2023. So application received after the due date or incomplete application will not be considered. So this is the regarding the BEL notification for different vacancies. Even the freshers are also eligible for some of the vacancies. In case if you are new to my channel, I request you to look into the playlist of different job updates so that you will be having an idea of what are the recent notifications out there. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.